Welcome back to Fact Loop, where we break down complex topics into bite-sized facts. Today we're diving deep into the world of blockchain technology. You've probably heard about it in connection with Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, but there's so much more to it than that. By the end of this video, you'll understand what blockchain is, how it works, its various uses, and even some of the challenges it faces. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger, a record-keeping system that's stored across multiple computers. But here's the catch. Instead of a central authority controlling this ledger, like a bank or a government, it's decentralized. This means that every participant in the network has an identical copy of the ledger, ensuring transparency and security. Each record or block in this ledger is linked to the previous one, forming a chain, hence the name blockchain. These blocks contain information such as transaction details that are verified and added to the chain using cryptographic techniques. Now that we know what blockchain is, let's talk about how it works. Imagine you want to send money to a friend. Here's what happens in a blockchain-based system. 1. Initiating a transaction. You start by requesting a transaction. This request is broadcast to a network of computers known as nodes. 2. Verification. The nodes validate the transaction using algorithms that check the sender's balance and confirm the authenticity of the request. This process is known as consensus. 3. Adding to the blockchain. Once verified, the transaction is bundled with others into a block. This block is then added to the existing chain of blocks, creating a permanent, unchangeable record. 4. Completion. The transaction is now complete, and your friend receives the money. What's revolutionary here is that this entire process is decentralized and secure, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. Section 3. Uses of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology isn't just for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Its potential uses span across various industries. 1. Finance. Besides cryptocurrencies, blockchain can be used for cross-border payments, reducing transaction times from days to minutes. It also brings transparency to financial auditing processes. 2. Supply chain management. Blockchain can track the journey of goods from the manufacturer to the consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud in industries like luxury goods, food, and pharmaceuticals. 3. Healthcare. In healthcare, blockchain can securely store patient records, giving authorized doctors access while maintaining patient privacy. 4. Voting. Imagine a voting system where every vote is securely recorded and counted without the risk of tampering. Blockchain could make elections more transparent and trustworthy. 5. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms written into code. They automatically carry out actions when certain conditions are met, cutting out the need for intermediaries like lawyers. The possibilities are almost endless, and we're just scratching the surface. Section 4. The downsides of blockchain. While blockchain has enormous potential, it's not without its challenges. 1. Energy consumption. Blockchain, especially in cryptocurrency mining, can consume vast amounts of energy. For example, Bitcoin mining alone uses more electricity than some entire countries. 2. Scalability issues. As the number of transactions increases, so does the size of the blockchain. This can lead to slower transaction times and higher costs. 3. Regulatory challenges. Because blockchain operates across borders and is decentralized, it creates legal and regulatory challenges. Governments are still figuring out how to handle this new technology. 4. Security risks. Although blockchain is generally secure, it's not entirely immune to hacking. For example, if a group gains control of more than 50% of the network's computing power, they could potentially manipulate the blockchain. This is known as a 51% attack. 5. Lack of understanding and adoption. Finally, despite its potential, blockchain is still a complex technology that's not widely understood. This lack of understanding can slow down adoption. So while blockchain is a game-changing technology, it's essential to be aware of these challenges as it continues to evolve. Section 5. Future of blockchain. Looking ahead, the future of blockchain technology is bright. Innovations are underway to address the challenges we've mentioned. For instance, newer blockchain models like proof of stake are being developed to reduce energy consumption. Governments and companies are also exploring how to better regulate and integrate blockchain into existing systems. As more industries adopt blockchain, it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital systems, making them more secure, transparent, and efficient. Outro. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of blockchain technology. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to FactLoop for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep looping in the facts.